Alright, so I put the new door latch in, as you can see, and it still really just did not latch at all like I wanted it to. So yeah, we just put this on there. No matter what I did with this part of the latch down here, it really just didn't do anything to help it. We even tried bending this out a little bit because the bottom of the door hits. But if you look, prior to me buying it, somebody had broke the hinge off. And well, anyways, after getting tired of messing with it and messing with it, my dad said, why don't you just put a pin on there and weld it in place. So that's what I did. Works out good, simple, easy solution. Alright, so I'm trying to get, I think this actually came from a Ritchie's Brother auction. And yeah, well, you can see the sticker on it. I'm trying to peel it all off of there. And I think we're gonna paint this door black and put the business name on there. Luckily, the razor knife peeler seems to be doing a pretty good job peeling all this off of there. Except for the glue, of course, the glue's stuck on there. Maybe we'll take some degreaser to it and see how that does. Alright guys, here we are fixing the stump jumper on the brush hog. I was brush hogging, hit a rock, and I don't know, probably about 5 minutes after I hit the rock, I noticed that the stump jumper had come off, and yeah, it's kind of a big deal. So I called up Express Steel. They had it to me in a day and a half, pretty good response time, and you know, getting a hold of them, their customer service has been really good. I email them, and usually it's in the evening when this sucker breaks, and usually about 9:30 in the morning the next day, they'll be calling me, asking me what's going on, getting some more pictures and info, and they've always seemed to take care of me. So you'll see here in this video, I'll be fixing the stump jumper. yeah, this is Express Steel's light duty brush hog, brush cutter, I guess, more or less. The only other thing I had happen was one of these blades actually broke off, and it actually split right in between the bolts. So one half stayed on, the big half actually flew off, and you can see the dent over here where it hit. So other than that, I mean, it's been pretty decent. My machine is 74 horsepower, and it seems to handle it pretty well. Can't complain. You know, just stuff like that. I mean, I'm glad it didn't turn out a lot more dangerous than what it did. Luckily, I had it down on the ground and was just mowing over a briar bush when it decided to let loose. So let's get this flipped back right side up. Here we are testing out the fix. Seems like everything worked out good. Everything's back together. It's working. New blades, new stump jumper, and we're back in business. So you know, keep an eye out on the channel. Check it out on YouTube. I might post this to Facebook. YouTube, you know, it's kind of a pain in the butt sometimes to get stuff to upload. But for now, check it out. Go check out the YouTube at JonesBoy740. And keep an eye out on the channel, and you know, like, subscribe, share, tell everyone you know about it. I'd greatly appreciate it. And here's some more mowing. Thanks for watching. That wraps up today's video. Keep an eye out for more videos to be posted soon. Thanks for watching.